slippery. Whoa! Holy shit, it's really slippery. I gotta close this visor. Slippery, but it's fun. Who says you can't ride in the winter? Holy shit. Just a set of knobbies and go drift your bike around. Then honk and wave. Whoa! That was a close one. Whoa, so was that. I gotta crack this visor a little bit. It's fogging up like a mofo. So are my glasses. Can't see shite. Alright, here we go. Little crack. A nice little butt crack. And down the hill. Here we go, bombing the hill. I still can't see anything. This fucking visor's all fogged up. We'll close it again. Should just take my glasses off because. Oh shit, the snow's deep here. It's like a foot deep. Nobody's plowed this shit. Using my boots for skis. Okay, I'm all fogged and I can't see anything. I'm opening the visor. Oh, she died. Son of a bitch. There we go. Grom's been running weird lately. I think it's too rich. Kind of boggy. Maybe I'll get rid of the fuel controller. Disconnect that thing and see what happens. Man, this thing's all drifted over. Look at this crap. Yeah, having the visor open is better. Getting a bunch of snow in the face, but I can see. So that's a good thing. Look at these drifts. It's like freaking 6 inches, 9 inches, 6 inches, 12 inches, 6 inches, freaking 8 inches. I'm sliding all over the place. Drifting the Grom, baby. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Just using my feet for skis. Hell yeah. Oh, there's a dry spot. Got a little traction. One foot on the ground, one on the peg. No problem. Got the trifecta. 3-point stance, baby. Whoa, that one was hardcore. Man, I was gonna rip it, but you really can't out here. This is pretty hardcore stuff. Oh, sheer ice, sheer ice. Whoa.